Happy Saturday, everyone. Here we are at 2748 44th Terrace Southwest. Beautiful Saturday afternoon. Be here from 1 to 4, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through of the property. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath home. It's built in 1988 with a 2-car garage. 1,500 square foot. The home is freshly painted on the inside and out. Perfect home for a beginner family or somebody just looking for a little bit of an investment property. But here we walk into the living room itself, the dining room, large backyard, room for a pool. The home is actually about to have this back lanai area completely redone. Unfortunately, Irma had a little bit of a fun time here. Good old East Naples. Beautiful marble floors going throughout. Stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. Nice little pantry. One thing nice about this home, it is a split bedroom, so you're going to have your 2 guest beds on one side of the home. Bedroom number 1. Then you have bedroom number 2 directly across. And then coming out, here is your bath that both of the guest bedrooms do share. Then walking back across through the living room, as you can see, the marble floors go throughout the whole entire house. This is to your 2-car garage. Classic there, classic blazer. Little laundry area out here with your wash tub, little cabinetry. Then going on around to your master bed, which is fairly large, easily fit a full-size bedroom suite in here. Full-size meaning king, walk-in closet. And then your bath. And all this for $329,900. Thank you so much. We hope you guys stop by. Take care. Bye.